Here we have your battery charger, and your AC adapter. Always ensure that your battery is lying flat horizontal, as there are two connecting pins on the end. And if it is set into a wet area with those connecting to that, it may short out the battery. And never set it on its end like this on anything metal or anything conductive. First, we're going to show you how to attach the battery charger and the AC adapter. Okay, you take your battery charger. You'll see that there's one plug here. You'll pull that off to open it up. You'll take your receptacle end and plug it into your AC adapter. Then you'll take the plug and plug it into your wall socket. You will see that there is a green light on your charger, which means it's ready to charge. You will then take your battery, slide it onto your charging unit, and snap it down. Your charging light should turn to red. Even if your battery is fully charged, your charger will turn to red even for a few seconds while it is charging. If it does not change to red even for a few seconds, then there may be a problem with the battery. You can let this charge overnight, or you can charge it as long as you'd like. You can leave it on the charger and it will not harm the battery. Now that the battery's been charging, the charging light has changed to green, which indicates that it is fully charged and ready for use. To disassemble this, you just push the yellow clip in at the top, slide the battery off of it, ensuring that you don't set it down, and contact those clips with anything conductive. When you approach the lift and it's ready to go, make sure that you set the battery down if you need to horizontally so that you do not contact the clips. On the back of the unit, there is a black cover. Take the black unit or the cover off and take your battery, slide it into the back of the unit, and slide it down until it clips. And you should be good to go. On the handset, you will see that there is a lock. The right position is the locked position and the left position is the unlocked position. Take the attached key, put it into the slot, pointing the key toward the lock, and turn it until it is unlocked. Then when you press a button, you should see a green light, you should see a red light on the power, and while you're depressing, you should see 4 green lights down here showing that the battery is fully charged. When entering the lift chair, get yourself seated. Adjust the safety strap as needed. Grab your handset. Ensure that the key is in the unlocked position. Push the down arrow to lower yourself into the pool. And you can continue this motion until you're completely submerged in the water. You can either let this handset float in the water, or they can set it back on the side of the chairlift. The arms do come out for easy entry and access. And when you're getting out of the pool, just push the up arrow. That will bring you back out of the water. And continue to press it until you are fully out of the water and in the stopped position. If for any reason the lift stops moving via the handset, there's an emergency return button on the face of the unit. Just press this button and hold it, and it will return the lift to its starting position. This is only used to bring the chair out of the water and back to its resting position. During your routine checks, if you're testing the chairlift and you notice that all 4 lights are not lit, if it goes down to 3 or 2 lights, it is time to charge the battery, and the battery should be removed at the end of the day, or if needed, take it out immediately and put an out of order sign until you get your battery charged again. To remove the battery, grab the yellow clip in the back, press it in, slide the battery up, and if you need to set the battery down, ensure that you lie horizontally so that you do not contact the clips. Put the plastic cover back over top and press it down firmly to ensure that no water enters the control unit. The first thing on the Rotational Series lift you'll notice is it has a 4-button configuration. There is the locked position and the unlocked position. Insert the key and turn it to the unlocked position. These 4 buttons are for your up movement, your down into the water movement, your right movement, and your left movement. Okay, on the Rotational Series lift there are 4 buttons. There is a right button, a left button, a down button, and an up button. To rotate to the right, you would press the right button. And when you want to go down into the water, you push the down button. To come up, you press the up button. And to rotate back to the right or to the left, press the left button. This is the only functional difference between the S, C, and P series and the Rotational Series lift. On a weekly basis, you should clean your lift mildly. Just spray it with your favorite household cleaner. And then just wipe it down. To ensure that nothing is building up on the lift, any water and chemicals in the water or iron deposits that are in the water are wiped away. And if you find any difficult or tough stains after a week, they might turn and look like a rust deposit from the evaporation of the minerals in your water, and you can't wipe them off with your favorite household cleaner. It's okay to go ahead and use a Scotch-Brite pad just to scuff that up and remove those stains. If you see any material or mineral deposits like this, go ahead and spray on your household cleaner. And just wipe those stains right off as they are just on the surface. And they should wipe right off with your favorite household cleaner. If not, it is okay to go ahead and use a Scotch-Brite pad to lightly buff the areas that you need to clean.